The reason that you are not getting views on your shorts video is because you are not posting the content right. Now, you may be posting your shorts videos from any device, but this is not the correct method in which you need to post videos. If you are posting any kind of short content video, you should be posting from your phone. This is because you get to choose the thumbnail that you are going to use, where this short video is going to show up. They are going to show up in your browser, just your search and your shorts feed. Thus, you need a good thumbnail for your videos. Another point you need to know is short videos normally need to be between 12 to 15 seconds. 24 to 30 seconds and 55 to 60 seconds. The length should depend on the topic that you are covering. Another thing that you need to do is to make sure that you do research on the topic that you are doing in order to find the right timing in which you need to use. What am I talking about now? Assuming you're going to post these short videos here, as you can see here, you get to edit your thumbnail from this icon here, which says, which has an icon of a pencil. You get to edit your videos here. As you can see here, you get to edit the type of thumbnail that you use for your video. The type of thumbnail that you use for your video is one of the most important thing that will get you views. Now, assuming I choose here, you just need to save as draft and you search on related content relating to that short video. Assuming you are posting videos or based on healthy fruits to eat. So if you search on this topic, you will find the thumbnails that are used. As you can see, so you should create related thumbnails based on the more views. So these are the key things which you need to look out before you post a video. Now, another thing that you need to do is to change the visibility. Once you are satisfied with the thumbnail, you should come here to the visibility and you should make the visibility public. Make sure that you do that. Don't forget to do that. Another thing that you need to do is to make sure that you choose a good title for your video. Make sure that you choose a good title for your video, and you need to make sure that you schedule this video to a later date. Make sure that you select this. We don't post the video right away, as you need to make some few adjustments, as the one that I'm going to show you right now. Next thing that you need to do is to head over to your desktop laptop and go over to YouTube Studio. Now, before you go head over to YouTube Studio, you may be wondering where you can get a good title or get updates from your videos. This is the best site in which you can use to do research on your video to find whether it has a good title, and also you can find related content based on this video that you've posted here. Now, for just a small fee, you get to have ideas based on your videos, and this will significantly help you, as it will show you the videos which perform best under which title and under which thumbnail. So they basically do everything for you. This site is called vidIQ, and all you have to do is to merge it with your YouTube channel, and it give you ideas based on the video that you've posted. So they get to do almost everything for your video, and they give you the best advice in which your video needs in order to get viral. Now, when you reach here, when you head over back to YouTube Studio now, you need to set a good title for your video. Based on controversies, you need to post which are around 55 characters long, but this is not exactly true. You need to choose to make sure that you choose the title based on what you'd prefer, and if the character is longer than 55 characters, you don't need to worry, as this does not affect anything. Now, once you head over to description, you need to make sure that you set around 2 to 3 sentences. You also need to set the playlist and the media, and also you need to set the tags. Make sure that you set the good tags based on your video. Now, for one final thing is you need to head over to this related video here. What is the purpose of this section here? This is where you will add your log form video, the one that you would like people to watch, or your sales video, or another shorts video. So basically, the more views you get for a single viewer, the higher likelihood that they will push your content. This is basically the purpose of setting this video, is to direct other videos and make people watch your other videos more. Also, the final thing that you need to do is to leave a pinned comment on your short form video. This will basically describe the type of video and what you should expect in the video, and you engage the audience. This will basically increase your audience participation. So don't forget to leave a pinned comment in your shorts video. Will also make them more subscribed with the video. So that is basically all you need to know about short videos and all the things you need to do in order to go viral in your shorts video. So I hope you found this content useful, and see you on the next video.